Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically search for old and new video effects on CapCut PC. Select your video and go to effects, and here is where you can search for stuff. You can search for instance, mosaic, which is the blur one. Select it and add it to your videos, and that's where you can basically search for it. A lot of people are like, where's the neon effect? Where's the blah 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 effect? I can't find it in basic. Basic is no longer here. It's been not in this tab for a good few months now, but you can search for effects here. A lot of people want to find where the zoom lens is. I already favorited mine so you can see it. This is where it is. A lot of people also don't know where blur is because they deleted basic, but it's actually just in the lens section. But not many people know where they've been moved, but now you can search for it, so you don't have to, I guess, ask anymore. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!